100% natural handmade. This laundry basket is handmade and is woven with natural and renewable material which is soft, chemical-free, and skin-friendly. It is safe for storing your odds and ends. XXXL size large jumbo size, 22-inch * 22-inch * 14-inch, which is big enough to store bulky items like extra blankets, comforters, duvets, throw pillows, cushions, and stuffed animals, winter clothing, laundry, and more. It offers plenty of space for smaller miscellaneous items too, like books, magazines, and toys, to keep your living space neat and tidy. Portable, sturdy foldable. Our baskets are soft, sturdy enough to keep their shape and stand up on their own. Its strong handles allow for convenient carrying of heavy loads around the house. They are collapsible, therefore, can be stored easily when not in use or you are in travel. Decorative multi-purpose. A stylish, practical alternative to other boring storage solutions. Not only will our baskets help you get organized, but their sleek, sophisticated shape and neutral colors will also complement any decor in any room. The bathroom, nursery, playroom, bedroom, living room, laundry room, more. They make a lovely yet practical gift for friends and family for birthdays, weddings, housewarmings, or any other gift-giving occasion. Top reviews from the United States. Well made. This basket was huge. It is perfect to use in my living room for blankets.